Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Our very first cloud car race between me and Mama T. Okay, let's see. Let's make the rules. One trip around, then through the center. Go. This thing is, oh, I'm killing it. Keep up with me. You go ahead. Uh-huh. I got this. I got this. Oh, 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 shit. Oh, get back here. You little I'm hot on your heels now. How dare you bump into me like that? Knocking me off my ride. Oh, slow down. Hold on. Time out. This is not fair. Cheater, 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 pumpkin eater. Got you now. I can't see. My eyes are closed. Oh my god. Oh, oh, I made it around the circle and then back to camp. She's still stuck on the bridge. I'm crying. Oh my god, I'm stuck here forever. Here we go. Oh, bitch. Get off my ass. All right, all right, all right. This car sucks. I snorted. You cannot pass by me until you answer the questions three. Oh, going backwards. Going backwards. Oh, she won. Oh my god. This is gonna go on forever. I'm back and forth and back and forth. Oh. Where? Where's my mommy? I'm so stuck. Give me, Jane, get me off this crazy thing. 3 hours later. Oh, wrong way. Yay. Yeah. Hate that bridge. Hate, hate, new hate that bridge. Okay. Here I come. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Here we go. Oh, bam. Well, that was fun. I definitely lost. I owe you. You owe me. Whatever. Great time. Thanks, Steph.